If you open a Facebook page and Instagram, any Facebook page or Instagram, to create any Instagram account ads to using Facebook option. So one of the option will be there separately. Instagram will create by separate ad, Facebook create the separate ad. Suddenly asking one question: how to create Instagram ad using Facebook? Instagram ad using Facebook. That is called first of all on your page, link with your Instagram account. The option call is settings. In the option call is Instagram. Account is set up with your Instagram account. Without link, we can't create Instagram ad using Facebook. We can't link Instagram ads. We can't create the Facebook. The ad will be created using Ads Manager. The ad will be creating using Ads Manager. So I'm changing page. By this page already I'm creating ad. I'm so focused by the other page using Digital Rakesh. So I'm logging with another Instagram. I'm changing page. I'm changing my Instagram account. In this, first to check the option call is Instagram. Search for Instagram. Already connected. Same will be connected here. Now go to your Facebook Ads Manager. Click for create. In this, what are the ad you creating? You can your wish to create. My ad will create for brand awareness or reach. I'm go for reach. So by promoting website traffic, go for traffic. Are you posting image? Go for posting image. I am go for which one? Reach to audience. Right. Before that, you can optimize by the three options. Your budget ad. How much your budget you can add by here, you can mention. Before set up your budget. Before create any ad, you can set up your budget also, but I'm not interested. Click for continue. Next. Any ad will be created based on your Facebook page. Based on your Facebook page. Now select your Facebook page. Select it. Without Facebook page, we can't get any ads. And second thing is, you select any custom audience. I'm not selecting any custom audience. And location, I'm targeted only for Hyderabad. And remember, what are the optional settings? This is a mention for your arrow will be here. The arrow will be down or increase or decrease is the error. The arrow always can show showing for middle of the order. The arrow will showing always middle of the order. So I'm selecting here Hyderabad. What is showing arrow? Middle of the order. And showing for your reach 12K to 35K. Two things are very important using Ads Manager. One is the arrow will be always middle and set your reach. Then age. I'm changing my age. Your reach age up to 45 years. Gender. All gender. Men and women. So I'm target only for men's. Target by men's. Which one? Right here. Or the reach will be 12K to 35K. Men's. 12K to 34K. Only women's. 11K to 31K. The reach will be changed. I'll go for all. This will be very important. Your age people and select by interested wise. Age people select your interest wise. This will be only for digital marketing. It's only for anything digital marketing. Second will be I'm targeted by the students. Only interested people select. Only interested people. Done. So all language and all people. Edit. Any people you can change. People who like your page, friends of your people who like your page, exclude people who like your page, and not create any kind of options. Target by the all audience. Now click for save. Location done, age done, people interested done. Save. For the reach 12K to 35K. Arrow will be middle. Now set up your budget. Budget will be set up will be two types: lifetime and daily. I'll go for lifetime. How much minimum starting for? 1400. I'm safe for 500. For showing is a error. Why? Because the minimum starting for 1240 is a lifetime budget. How much? 1240 is a lifetime budget. Daily budget is a 40 rupees. How much? Daily budget is a 40 rupees. Suppose I'm adding for 25 rupees. Not accept. 40. Set ever started ended. Run my ad. Set continuously starting today. No time for end. How much you are per week? 280. 50 rupees tax. Total 330. This is applicable by any ads on your Facebook. 280 for week. 50 rupees is your tax. That will be your total amount. And show more option. Impression every 7 days. One impression every 7 days. And only you can follow by the impression. Why? Reach is nothing but impression. Ban is nothing but impression. This is all nothing but your impression on your option. Based on impression, the clicks will be accept. 1,000 members will be see. 10 members will be click the link. Run ad all the time and started. This will be no editable. How much each? 2.4K to 6.9K. Select it. Finally, your ad. Ad will be decided here. Page already done. These are my profile. When the page is done and the profile. You change the page anytime you change your page. Next. Image or video. And this will be number of images. This will be you can use two more of images or videos. But I'm in this using only for single image or video. Single image or video. So this is called image. Remove it. Any image select on your Facebook ads campaign, the image discount will be less than 20%. Upload. Select it. Go for page. This select any image. Select it. Image and any showing any apostrophe mark. No, if you showing apostrophe mark is called the image is not approved. And select here. Add your website link. In a website link place, you can add by your YouTube URL also. Done. So in this YouTube URL place, you can add the YouTube URL or website URL. The final destination is where your website traffic. What showing option is called here. What is that? YouTube dot. So in this, what option you have to change it? You can add your options. Headline. Is it clear? What showing for button? Button will be showing for your wish. What is that? See menu, save, request time, send message, listen now, get show time, get code and get direction. I'll go for anything your wish. So we'll give by send a message. So clear? These are your total type of ad will be showing. Where mobile news feed, text and news feed, instant article. See this one. I'm including for Instagram. Why? My page already linked with the Instagram. Instagram will showing for Instagram feed, Instagram stories. Instagram feed, Instagram stories. Now done. Select all option. Is it clear? Finally, click for confirm. To add incomplete, please check your make you have added your required data assistant complete required set page depend your business. So if you want to use any template, you can use the template and only any kind of instant templates. Use image done. There's a small error, there's no issues. Now click for confirm. Now click for confirm. Anything error will be here. Yeah. You're missing for your URL. Here. Is it clear? So this is your ad will be create and where and Instagram and your option. So this is called create your ad and publish your options. So this will be started here. Started here. For showing for in review option. Suppose anything they're not showing for inactive, that is called your ad will be not active mode. Anything review will be accept with of the object. Or the budget will be lowest cost. My budget will be lowest cost, more rich. My target will be less budget, more rich. This is a page ad for Facebook page and Instagram. Any page will be tied with the Instagram. The any Instagram account ads will be created by using Facebook. It will be displayed by the two areas, Facebook and Instagram.